4K UHD 8 ports KVM switch with USB. We used to switch via front panel or keyboard. But seriously? Don't you remember how busy you are as switching ports by keyboard?
Control 0, Control 1, Control 2, Control F1.
Stop. My head is in a spin. You may ask.
Can't we use front panel buttons?
Well, of course you can. Hold on. You may forget it's locked in the rack. Or you forgot it's on that high shelf you can't reach. Or it's always hidden in a secret room you'll never know. Now, you have new option. Use mouse to do auto scan and switch ports. Just prepare a multi-key mouse and assign functions to the keys you want. Let's get started. Click and release both key 1 and key 4 to switch to each active keys. Click key 4 and key 3 for 2 seconds and then release keys to do auto scan. Click key 4 and scroll key 3 simultaneously to switch ports fast. KNVM 08 allows you to assign functions to mouse keys. It's more efficient and professional to teach at class, present at a meeting, and work in a control room. Want to improve your productivity at work? Choose Rextron KNVM series. Assign functions to your multi-keys mouse. It makes you work faster and more efficient.
Work smarter with Rextron.